Talking about online shopping. Hi, Emily. Do you like shopping online?
Hi, Michael. Yes, I like it, but I feel shy sometimes.
That is okay. Many people feel that way.
I like to look at clothes online.
Nice. Clothes are easy to see online.
I look at pictures first.
Pictures help us choose.
I read the price slowly.
Good habit. Price is important.
Sometimes I wait for a sale.
Waiting is smart.
I add items to my cart.
Yes, the cart keeps items safe.
I check the size.
Very good. Size matters.
I read simple reviews.
Reviews help a lot.
Some words are hard.
It is okay. Read slowly.
I ask my sister for help.
Asking for help is great.
I use my phone to shop.
Phones are easy to use.
I feel happy when I order.
That is a good feeling.
I wait for delivery.
Waiting can be exciting.
I check my email for updates.
Emails give good information.
I track my order.
Tracking is helpful.
The box comes to my door.
That is convenient.
I open it carefully.
Care is important.
I try the clothes on.
Nice. How do they feel?
They feel good.
I am glad.
Online shopping saves time.
Yes, it really does.
I am learning new words too.
Shopping is good practice.
I feel more confident now.
You are doing great, Emily. Talking about sending emails. Emily, do you send emails?
Yes, but I write slowly.
Slow is good for learning.
I start with hello.
That is polite.
I write short sentences.
Short sentences are clear.
I check my spelling.
Good habit.
Sometimes I use simple words.
Simple words are best.
I write emails to my teacher.
Teachers like clear emails.
I ask questions politely.
That is perfect.
I read the email again.
Reading again helps.
I fix small mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
I end with thank you.
That sounds kind.
Then I click send.
Nice and easy.
I feel nervous sometimes.
That feeling will go away.
I get replies later.
Replies feel good.
I read them carefully.
Careful reading is smart.
I learn new words.
Emails help your English.
I save important emails.
Saving is useful.
I check my inbox daily.
Daily practice is great.
Emails are helpful in life.
Yes, very helpful.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence is growing.
I write faster than before.
That is progress.
Practice helps me a lot.
Always remember that.
Thank you for support.
You are welcome, Emily. Talking about using social media. Emily, do you use social media?
Yes, I use it every day.
Which app do you like?
I like simple photo apps.
Photos are fun.
I read short posts.
Short posts are good practice.
I follow English pages.
That is smart.
I learn new words there.
Learning can be fun.
I like short videos.
Videos help listening.
I listen very carefully.
Good listening skill.
I write small comments.
Writing comments is great.
I say, nice video.
Simple and friendly.
I feel shy sometimes.
That is normal.
People are kind online.
Many people are helpful.
I use emojis too.
Emojis show feelings.
I check messages daily.
Daily use helps learning.
I read slowly.
Slow reading is fine.
I avoid hard posts.
Choose easy content.
I follow English teachers.
Very good choice.
I feel happy learning.
Happiness helps memory.
I practice every day.
That is the key.
Social media helps my English.
Yes, it can.
I feel more confident.
Confidence is growing well.
I enjoy learning now.
That makes me happy.
Thank you, Michael.
Keep going, Emily. Talking about learning English online. Emily, do you learn English online?
Yes, every day.
That is wonderful.
I watch short lessons.
Short lessons are good.
I listen carefully.
Listening is important.
I repeat the words.
Repeating helps memory.
I use my phone.
Phones are useful.
I study at home.
Home is comfortable.
I learn new words daily.
Daily words are great.
I write them down.
Writing helps learning.
I watch videos slowly.
Slow speed is good.
I pause and repeat.
Very smart.
I practice speaking alone.
That builds confidence.
I am not afraid now.
That is progress.
Online learning is easy.
Yes, very easy.
I choose simple lessons.
Good choice.
I study every morning.
Morning study is nice.
I enjoy learning.
Enjoyment matters.
I feel proud of myself.
You should feel proud.
My English is better.
I agree.
Practice helps me.
Always remember that.
I will keep learning.
That is great.
Thank you for support.
Always here to help.
I feel motivated.
Keep practicing daily. Talking about watching movies at home. Emily, do you watch movies at home?
Yes, I love movies.
Do you watch English movies?
Yes, simple ones.
That is good.
I use subtitles.
Subtitles help a lot.
I listen to words.
Listening is important.
I pause the movie.
Pausing helps learning.
I repeat sentences.
Very good practice.
I watch with family.
That sounds fun.
We enjoy together.
Enjoyment is great.
I learn daily words.
Movies teach many words.
I watch short movies.
Short movies are easy.
I relax and learn.
Learning can be relaxing.
I feel happy.
Happiness helps learning.
I watch at night.
Nighttime is calm.
I choose easy stories.
Easy stories are best.
I understand more now.
That is progress.
I am not afraid of English.
That is wonderful.
Movies help my listening.
Yes, they do.
I practice every week.
Weekly practice is good.
I feel confident.
Confidence looks good on you.
Thank you, Michael.
You are welcome.
I will watch more.
Enjoy your movies.
I surely will.
Keep learning daily. talking about daily habits. Emily, let's talk about daily habits.
Okay, I like routines.
What do you do daily?
I wake up early.
Early mornings are nice.
I drink water first.
That is healthy.
I eat breakfast.
Breakfast gives energy.
I study English.
Great daily habit.
I practice speaking.
Speaking helps confidence.
I read easy books.
Reading is useful.
I help at home.
Helping is kind.
I walk outside.
Walking feels good.
I rest in the afternoon.
Rest is important.
I drink tea.
Tea is relaxing.
I review words.
Review helps memory.
I talk to family.
Talking builds language.
I sleep on time.
Good sleep matters.
I repeat this daily.
Routine is powerful.
Habits help learning.
Yes, they do.
I feel organized.
Organization helps success.
I like my habits.
That is great.
I want to improve more.
You will.
Practice is my goal.
A strong goal.
Thank you for guidance.
Always happy to help.
I feel confident.
Keep your good habits. Talking about morning routine. Emily, tell me about your morning.
I wake up early.
That is good.
I make my bed.
Nice habit.
I wash my face.
Fresh start.
I brush my teeth.
Very important.
I say good morning.
Polite and kind.
I drink water.
Healthy choice.
I eat breakfast.
Breakfast gives energy.
I drink tea.
Tea is calming.
I study English.
Great morning habit.
I review words.
Review helps memory.
I read aloud.
Speaking practice is good.
I feel motivated.
Motivation is key.
I plan my day.
Planning is smart.
I feel ready.
Ready for success.
Morning time is quiet.
Quiet helps focus.
I enjoy mornings.
That is wonderful.
I smile more.
Smiling helps confidence.
I like my routine.
Keep it up.
I learn every morning.
Consistency is great.
I feel proud.
You should.
Thank you, Michael.
You are welcome.
I will continue.
Keep practicing daily. Talking about night routine. Emily, what do you do at night?
I relax at night.
That is good.
I eat dinner.
Dinner time is nice.
I talk with family.
Family time matters.
I clean my room.
Cleaning feels good.
I take a shower.
Very refreshing.
I wear pajamas.
Comfortable choice.
I review English words.
Great habit.
I read slowly.
Slow reading is fine.
I watch a short video.
Short videos are helpful.
I feel calm.
Calm helps learning.
I write notes.
Writing helps memory.
I set my alarm.
Planning ahead is smart.
I turn off lights.
Good for sleep.
I say good night.
Polite habit.
I sleep early.
Sleep is important.
I rest well.
Rest helps the brain.
I feel peaceful.
Peace is nice.
Night routine helps me.
Yes, it does.
I wake up fresh.
That is great.
I enjoy my routine.
Keep doing it.
Thank you for listening.
Always here.
I feel confident.
Good job, Emily. Talking about cleaning the house. Emily, do you clean your house?
Yes, every day.
That is great.
I start in the morning.
Morning cleaning feels good.
I make my bed.
Nice start.
I sweep the floor.
Good exercise.
I clean the table.
Tables get dirty fast.
I wash dishes.
Very helpful.
I clean the kitchen.
Kitchens need care.
I wipe surfaces.
Wiping keeps things clean.
I open windows.
Fresh air is good.
I organize my room.
Organization helps focus.
I clean slowly.
Slow work is okay.
I listen to music.
Music makes it fun.
I feel relaxed.
Relaxed cleaning is nice.
I help my family.
Helping is kind.
The house looks nice.
Clean spaces feel good.
I feel proud.
You should.
Cleaning is a habit.
Good habits matter.
I learn new words too.
Everyday tasks teach English.
I practice speaking.
That is great.
I enjoy cleaning now.
That is wonderful.
Thank you, Michael.
You are welcome.
I will keep helping.
Keep practicing daily.
Talking about cooking at home.
Emily, do you cook at home?
Yes, I like cooking.
That is great.
I cook simple food.
Simple food is good.
I wash my hands.
Very important.
I prepare ingredients.
Preparation helps.
I cut vegetables.
Be careful.
I boil water.
Good step.
I follow easy recipes.
Easy recipes are best.
I read instructions slowly.
Slow reading is fine.
I cook with my family.
Cooking together is fun.
We talk and laugh.
That sounds nice.
I learn food words.
Cooking teaches vocabulary.
I enjoy cooking.
Enjoyment helps learning.
I taste the food.
Tasting is fun.
I clean after cooking.
Cleaning is important.
I feel proud.
You should feel proud.
Cooking builds confidence.
Yes, it does.
I try new dishes.
Trying new things is good.
I practice English words.
Practice everywhere is smart.
I feel happy.
Happiness helps learning.
Thank you for support.
Always happy to help.
I will keep cooking.
Keep learning daily.
I feel confident now.
Great job, Emily. Emily, remember, small practice every day makes big progress.
Yes, I will practice daily and believe in myself.
If you like this lesson, please like the video.
Please share it with your friends and family.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Clips.
Practice every day and learn English with us.